In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add account on Hootsuite without password. If you are ready to connect another social presence in Hootsuite, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact menu choices you need. The goal is to set up the connection in a way that relies on approval from the account owner when prompted, rather than typing a password. First, open Hootsuite and find the area where you can manage your workspace settings. Click Settings. This is usually located in the main interface, often in a panel or menu near your account or workspace options. Taking this step matters because it is where Hootsuite controls what social accounts are connected and how they are authorized. Next, once you are inside Settings, you will see different sections. Click Social Accounts and Teams. This helps you move from general preferences into the specific area that controls which social platforms are connected to your Hootsuite dashboard. You are going there now because adding a social account is managed under Social Accounts and Team Connections. After that, within the Social Accounts and Teams area, click Social Accounts. This will take you to the list and management tools for all connected accounts. Even if you already see some accounts there, this screen is the starting point for adding another one. It is also the place where you can review what is already connected before you make changes. Now you are ready to start the connection process. Click Add a Social Account. This step launches the setup flow, so Hootsuite can guide you through choosing the platform and starting the authorization. Look for this button or link to be clearly labeled, since it usually opens a connection wizard or form. Then, you need to select the social network you want to connect. Choose the correct option from the list, such as the platform you are trying to add. Make sure you pick the right network because Hootsuite will create the authorization request based on that specific platform. After selecting the network, click Connect. This tells Hootsuite to begin the linking process for the chosen social site. In this point, a connection prompt will appear. Have the account owner approve the connection when prompted. This step is important because it is how the platform confirms that the person who owns the account authorizes the access. The account owner may be asked to confirm permissions in a secure approval screen. You should follow the on-screen instructions and ensure the owner completes the approval successfully. After the approval is completed, you may be taken back to Hootsuite, or the connection may take a moment to finalize. During this time, Hootsuite is usually checking that authorization is in place. If you do not see the new account instantly, it can be normal for a short period to pass while the connection completes. Once the setup is finished, return to the Social Accounts list to confirm the new account appears there. This verification helps you make sure everything is connected properly and ready to use in your dashboard. If the account does not show up right away, give it a moment and refresh the page if needed, while still making sure the approval step was completed. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to add an account on Hootsuite without entering a password, by using the Connect flow and having the account owner approve the connection when prompted.